Welcome to the Sleep Toolbox. If you clicked on this video, chances are you're tired. Maybe not just tonight, but tired of feeling exhausted. Tired of tossing and turning. Tired of waking up and wondering why your sleep never feels refreshing. You are not alone. Right now, millions of people struggle with sleep, and most of them believe something is wrong with them. That their body is broken or their mind just can't shut off. But the truth is, your sleep system is designed to work beautifully. If it feels stuck, it's usually because of habits, stress, or signals we send to our brain without even noticing. Today, we're going to explore why sleep feels so hard, and then I'll give you 5 simple, practical tools that you can try tonight to start shifting things. Let's start with the reasons, because understanding why is the first step to fixing it. You finally lie down, turn off the light, and suddenly your brain decides it's the perfect time to review every mistake you've ever made or to plan tomorrow's to-do list. This isn't because you're broken. It's simply your nervous system hasn't had a clear signal to slow down before bed. Your brain is still in day mode. Think about it. All day, your shoulders are tight, your jaw is clenched, your back is stiff from sitting or rushing around. If you don't release that tension before bed, your body stays on alert. And if the body is on alert, the mind follows. This is the unglamorous but powerful stuff. Caffeine too late in the day, scrolling on your phone in bed, irregular bedtimes. Every time you bring your phone into bed, you're training your brain to think the bed is for entertainment, not for sleep. Too much light, a room that's too hot, or even small noises. Your sleep environment sends constant signals to your brain. Darkness tells the brain to produce melatonin. Cool temperature tells the body it's safe to rest. If those conditions aren't there, your sleep cycle struggles. Sleep doesn't start at night. It starts in the morning. If you barely move all day, your body hasn't built enough natural sleep pressure. If you eat heavy meals or drink alcohol late at night, your body is working on digestion instead of repair. These little choices stack up and shape the quality of your rest. Now here's the thing. None of these reasons mean you can't fix your sleep. They're simply clues. And when you start to work with them instead of against them, sleep becomes much easier. All right, let's move into the practical tools. This is where the Sleep Toolbox comes in. You don't need complicated supplements or expensive gadgets. You need simple, repeatable habits that tell your body it's safe to rest now. Think of this as your landing strip. Just like an airplane doesn't go from full speed to landing in 1 second, your body needs a process to slow down. For 30 minutes before bed, turn off bright lights, step away from screens, and do something calming. Read a book, stretch, journal. Listen to gentle music. Consistency is key. If you do it every night, your brain learns the pattern. Your breath is directly connected to your nervous system. Fast, shallow breathing keeps your body in stress mode. Slow, deep breathing tells your body it's safe now. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale slowly for 8. Do this 4 times and you'll feel your system begin to shift. This one's simple but powerful. Train your brain to associate the bed only with sleep. If you've been lying in bed for 20 minutes and can't sleep, get up. Read in another room. Stretch or sip water. Come back only when you're sleepy. This retrains your brain and prevents the bed from becoming a place of frustration. The ideal sleep temperature is around 18 to 20 degrees C, 65 to 68 Fahrenheit. If your room is warmer, your body struggles to cool itself. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask to remove light, and consider white noise if small sounds wake you up. These simple environmental shifts send a strong signal to your brain that it's time to shut down. One of the biggest sleep disruptors is racing thoughts. Before bed, take 5 minutes to write down everything on your mind. Your to-do list, your worries, even random ideas. Don't solve them, just put them on paper. It's like telling your brain, "Don't worry, I've got it saved for tomorrow." People are often shocked how much this one practice frees the mind to let go. So let's recap. Poor sleep isn't random. It's often the result of an overactive mind, physical tension, poor sleep hygiene, an unhelpful environment, or daily habits. And the good news is, you have tools to address every one of these. Tonight, you can start with even just one. Maybe set up a 30-minute wind down or try a few rounds of 4-7-8 breathing. Over time, these small steps build a powerful routine. This is only the beginning of the Sleep Toolbox. In the next videos, we'll explore guided relaxation techniques, body scans, bedtime meditations, and science-backed tips to help you reset your sleep naturally. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, share this video with someone you know who struggles with sleep, and join me as we keep adding more tools to your toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a restful night.